March the 15th day of Women's Empowerment Month. Shout out to Fani Willis. We have the decision from Judge Mcafee, and I'm so sorry that I am not able to go live because y'all know daggone well that's what I would be doing. So Judge Mcafee waited to the exact last minute to go ahead and make this decision. So I just want y'all to see that I got it from the New York Post, okay? Georgia DA Fani Willis can remain on Trump election fraud case if Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade steps aside, is the judge's ruling as of 9:08 a.m. March 5th, damn 10th. So now, what's Fani gonna do? If Nathan Wade is so valuable to the case that she gave him over $600,000 as opposed to the two that she only gave barely $100,000 to, then maybe she should step aside and allow Nathan to move forward, wouldn't you think? That's how I'm thinking of it. That's what I think of it. So if he's the best person for the case and she was willing to give him all that money based on his work, right? Her decision should be to recuse herself, which she should have did long ass time ago, and to allow Nathan to take it because he's doing such a great job. She gave him so much money. He's the best person to do this case. I want to know what y'all think she gonna do. But let me go ahead and read what the New York Post has to say, child. Embattled Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis can stay on and prosecute the election interference case against former President Donald Trump and his co-defendants for allegedly trying to overturn the results of the 2020 election if Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade steps aside, a judge ruled Friday. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott Mcafee issued the decision early Friday following 2 days of testimony from Willis, Wade, and others close to them. The allegations charged Willis had become romantically involved with Wade before 2021 when she appointed him special prosecutor in the election interference case and claimed that she benefited financially from his lucrative special prosecutor post when he treated her to luxurious vacations. The relationship was first revealed by Trump co-defendant Michael Roman in a bombshell court filing, which said it presented a conflict of interest and asked for Willis to be removed from the case. So, of course, as you all know, Trump jumped on it. He's the bigger name. That made it as big as it was. Not to mention all the fodder with regard to the relationship between Nathan and Fani, and he's married. He's still married, technically. Still being married, when the relationship started, allegedly she lied. So now I'm not sure if Judge Mcafee can make the decision of her losing the license or bringing up perjury or anything like that. I'm no lawyer, I just play one on YouTube sometimes. So anybody that's a law person, let us know. Shout out to Nate the lawyer, TLA, AV, Lisa, Sandy, and apologies if there's anyone that I miss.
She was fucking his best friend. So, I mean, everybody's fucking down here in Atlanta. I don't know what to tell you. They breeding like rabbits down here. Everybody getting ass.
Both Willis and Wade, whose divorce from his wife has yet to be finalized and signed off by a judge, admitted to the affair but maintained under oath that the relationship only became official in 2022, after they had already brought the case against the former president and 18 others. So we know most of this, but I'm just going to go ahead and give the recap for all the new people and to go ahead and make sure that we have all of the facts as they stand as of this moment as we see what happens next, because it just, the next thing that we on the watch for is what's Fani's decision going to be. The pair, who ended their relationship in the summer of 2023, also claimed they roughly split the cost of the trips they went on together, with Wade paying for them up front and Willis repaying her share to him with cash. During her time on the stand, Willis accused Ashley Merchant, a criminal defense attorney for one of Trump's co-defendants, of being dishonest. The all-damn-dacity, child. Willis also said she found it extremely offensive. Merchant implied she slept with Wade at a conference where they first met in October 2019. "You're confused. You think I'm on trial," Willis told Merchant when she was questioned about her and Wade's flight records.
Girl, good night. Pick a bed and go to sleep.
"These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020. I'm not on trial no matter how hard you try to put me on trial," she added, referring to Trump and his co-defendants. "Except, ma'am, you technically were, because of the fact that you were not honest. You basically allegedly lied on the stand, and you basically also allegedly paid Wade a significant amount more, the black man, as opposed to the two white people that you paid a significant amount less. And we all know that if the roles were reversed, that they would be held to pay up in these streets and on this daggone internet. But several witnesses presented information that contradicted what the former lovers claimed. In mid-February, Robin Yurdy, a former DA's office employee who also claimed to be one of Willis's longtime friends, testified that she had no doubt Willis and Wade were romantically involved, linked as early as 2019. Yurdy said that she saw the pair kissing and hugging all the time. Wade's former law partner and one-time divorce attorney Terrence, I do not recall Bradley, also told Merchant in January that the affair absolutely started before Wade was appointed to the Trump case. It started when she left the DA's office and was judged in South Fulton. Bradley texted Merchant on January 5th, according to records that were referenced in court and later revealed in full on Megyn Kelly's podcast. Part of the allegations against Willis include that she financially benefited from appointing Wade to the plum role in definitely a plum role in the Trump case, notably when he paid for her to go on trips with him using cash earned on the job. Mm, mm, mm. Bradley seemed to be aware of these excursions, texting to Merchant. They took many trips to Florida, Texas, and California. Dang, Merchant wrote back at the time, they had a full-on relationship. Bradley, however, tried to backtrack on the stand and said that the text conversation with Merchant was speculation, was even heard muttering, "Oh dang," when presented with copies of the exchange. During closing arguments, attorney Stephen Sadow, shout out to Stephen Sadow, pointed out that Willis and Wade purposely concealed their relationship until it was revealed in court in January. They concealed it from all parties. Well, not from all parties. From Willis's daddy didn't even know they had a relationship, Sadow exclaimed. Even after the court stopped hearing evidence, newly filed documents named other potential witnesses with details about the former couple's affair. One of those potential witnesses with lawyer Manny Aurora, who was supposedly told by Bradley that Wade had a garage door opener for Yurdy's former apartment, where he and Willis apparently met for their tryst. Mm, mm, mm. Child. So anyway, that's where we are right now. So the decision has been made. Now the next decision, because this is like endless, right? Is what she gonna do? What Fani gonna do now, child? We'll be on the case. Shout out to y'all if you made it this far. Please make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe if you are new. I'll see you all in the next one.
We do not care.